Looking for your next vehicle in Birmingham? Tameron Hyundai Hoover has over 500 new and used vehicles in stock, priced to sell. Shop one of the area's largest selections of new Hyundais and quality used vehicles, all in one place. And every new Hyundai at Tameron comes with our exclusive 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty, giving you confidence long after you drive off the lot. Plus easy financing, online shopping tools, and a certified service team to keep you moving. Shop now at TameronHyundai.com.